I will teach you how to recover deleted files from your computer recycles bin. The Windows recycle bin, be it images or photos or videos, any type of files, we'll learn how to recover them right now. The first thing you need to know and to understand, for those in a hurry who like to skip the video, I'll tell you now, bye bye. For those who want to learn how to do the things right, in the right way, to avoid mistakes later, pay attention for this video right now. When you delete a file, it goes to the recycle bin. I will delete this file right here, and it will go to the recycle bin. Now pay attention. In the recycle bin I can recover it, clicking the right button and clicking restore. But when I delete it and I empty this recycle bin, it technically disappears from the computer forever. You no longer have access to it. The Windows itself even asks if I really want to do it, because it will surely permanently delete this file. But the truth is, it doesn't completely disappear from your computer, a laptop, or notebook that quickly. It remains in the system for a long time, in the temporary files. So it doesn't mean you can always recover your files, like ones from years ago, but more recent files from months may be possible. For example, I have successfully recovered many files for clients and friends in this way. You go to File, right click, go to Properties, and go to Previous Versions, and see if there is any backup. For me, for example, there isn't, but for some people this method may work. It will appear here with the time and date, and if it matches your file, it's very likely to be included in that backup. So this is one of the simplest methods that can solve your problem and come in handy. If this method worked for you, please leave a comment below, that way we can know if that worked or not. For the next step, here as well on my computer, you look for the user folder. For me, of course, it would be on the local disk C because my system's using it, and here you can see the users, the folder that we want. Can happen that the folder has your name, which is the username of your computer, so check that. So when you open it, there will be several options like this, for example, and you'll be able to navigate among them and search for the area you want to look for. In this case, I have my name on my computer, so I'm gonna click it, select the area that you want. For me, I'm going to look for the desktop, and you find the recycle bin folder. You can try to see if the files you want are there. If this step worked for you, please leave a comment below if it worked. If not, let's move on to the next step. Now let's move on the next step, which is as follows. You search for this program on Google. You're gonna look for the official website and pay attention. I always show you this because you have to be attentive. The website is www.recuva.com. When you open the website, you're gonna look for the free version and you download it. I will download and install here with you step by step. Then you're gonna click to open the program again. Then you're gonna click to install. Then you're gonna click to next. And here is asking what sort of files are you trying to recover. For me, the best option is the all files, of course. But let's suppose you know exactly what you want to search for. For example, video. By selecting the video option here, it will make the search for your file easier and faster, as the program will have fewer things to process and knows exactly what to search. So in this case, I know there is a picture, so I'm gonna click picture. I'm going to click next. And in this part is also very important because it asks where were the files. If you knew where it was, it will also be easy for the program, but if not, I recommend selecting the option that you are not sure, the first one. I knew where my file was, so I'm gonna click here in a specific location, or better, I'm going to click in the recycle bin because I put it there. I'm going to click next, and after finishing you have the option of deep scan, which is the most in-depth analysis, and you search for your file until the end of this year. And if you are searching slowly, you are not in a hurry, you can click here and wait. But if you are searching more patiently, I recommend doing the slower one. Then click next, and you calculate the time that the operation will be finished. After that, you're gonna have to wait until the program finishes. And I have to say, this is the best method that will work for everybody. Like I say, it can be that your file was deleted for a long time. And when I say a long time, I'm talking about years or several months. So it may not help. But for the 19% of the case, it will help. If you are enjoying the channel right now, please leave a comment below. If some method worked for you, please leave a like. There are a lot of people who watch my channel and are not subscribers. So check that option. If you are a subscriber, you probably aren't, and help me, just like I'm doing right now for you. The program finished in 5 minutes and 11 seconds. It was found 252 files, so I'm gonna search for my specific thing. I'm seeing a lot of things that I deleted, and it could help me for sure if I want them, but I don't. It was able to find my file. You're gonna click and click recuva. You're gonna select the place you wanted it to be, and that's it. It's very simple. I have showed that this method will help you for sure. And we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this valuable information that we shared on how to recover deleted files today. Technology can sometimes play trick on us, but with the right techniques, we can retrieve what we thought was lost. And now, before we wrap up, I've got something important to share with you. If you want to dive even deeper into this subject and learn more amazing tips on data recovery, I've got great news. In the upcoming videos, we'll explore even more about this topic and bring advanced techniques to handle different files loss situations. And we've got plenty of tricks up our sleeve that you can save your important documents, photos, and files. And after all, technology is our ally, and we won't leave us on hanging. Now, to make sure you have enough time to catch all these valuable tips, I have a special invitation for you. Join me in the upcoming videos where you dive even deeper in the art of file recovery and safeguarding of. Believe me, knowledge is power, and you won't want to miss this chance to become a true expert in data recovery. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. I'm sure you love the content that we prepare with so much care. And of course, feel free to share this video with your friends and family who might also benefit from those precious tips. Together we will create a strong and secure community where everyone can recover these files and in memory with easy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic week, and I see you in the next video.